In example 1, we are given that a tower stands vertically on the ground from a point on the ground which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. So to solve such questions, we require one figure. Just make sure that the figure should not be decorative. We are only requiring one triangle which supports the solution and the answer. So here we will draw a horizontal, a baseline. A tower stands vertically on the ground. So here draw a vertical line AB and angle B should be 90 degree. We are given that from a point on the ground which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower. This is foot of the tower, and from this point 15 meter away there is a point, let it be C. So this point C is 15 meter away from foot of tower. So this distance BC is equal to 15 meter. From this point the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Angle of elevation is the line of sight from the observation point to the top of the tower. This angle we are given 60 degree. So we have to find out the height of the tower AB. Let it be H. So let the height of tower be H meter. Okay. Now, after drawing the figure, you have to see that out of three sides, which side is given, and with the support of the angle, which side we have to find out. This side, because base we are given. So we have to relate the base and the unknown side, which is the trigonometric ratios we have used in chapter number 8. So we know that perpendicular and base are related with tan or cot. So for the base angle 60 degree, when base is given and perpendicular we have to find out, we can find out it either by using tan or by using cot. Now here I would like to suggest you one thing, that always using trigonometric ratios, primary ratios is more easier than to go for the secondary ratios. So mainly we will be using sine, cos and tan. So here as we have seen that perpendicular and base are related with tan. So I will be using here in triangle ABC for the base angle, for the angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle C, which is the base angle, is 60 degree. We will use tan theta, which is equal to perpendicular upon base. Here our theta is equal to 60 degree. That means tan 60 degree will be equal to perpendicular, which is AB, upon base, which is BC. So tan 60 degree, which is equal to root 3, which is equal to AB. AB we have considered as H, upon BC is 15. Therefore, H will be equal to 15 root 3 meter. That means the height of the tower is 15 root 3 meter. Now children, here you have to keep one thing in mind, that if in the question the value of root 3 is not given, then you are supposed to leave the answer with root only. From your side you will not put the value of root. But if we are given the value of root 3 is equal to 1.732, then in that case we have to multiply 15 with the value of root 3 and then the answer will come. But here, as you can see in the question, the value of root 3 is not given. That means our answer has come. So the height of the tower H is equal to 15 root 3.